Hello and welcome back to my third devlog so far. As you can see, the changes are drastic. If I had to explain every little thing I have added, this video would never end, so I'm going to do my best to summarize it. So I've added two bosses. One pretty much has lasers, and the other one simply chases you, which I'll go into in a bit. I also changed all the sprites, as you can probably tell. I was criticized for not having a clear theme of what the game was, so I made one. Therefore, the changes I made to the sprites. So what the game is about essentially is that you're a failed alien experiment, and you decide to take revenge and kill every remaining being on the planet. The art isn't one bit either, so I could give more emphasis to the main theme. I also added a ray cannon, which I won't get into too much since it's broken. I might try to fix it in this video though, and I'll provide the code to that. I also added a bloom effect so that the brighter stuff on the screen looks nicer. Moreover, I added a new kind of AI, which is essentially shakes when it gets near you, and then it throws itself at you, which is, by the way, what the third boss is based on. So those are pretty much all the changes I've done so far to the game since the last devlog, which are quite a few to be honest. And well, I started a campaign on Indiegogo, so if you like my work and want to support me, please consider funding me over there. I'll provide a link, and with that money I'll be able to hire musicians and better artists to work on the game with me. So today the one main thing I want to add is controller input, which is a total pain. I'll try to fix the ray cannon, which I already mentioned because it's broken. And I'll try to do more stuff like maybe add another boss and do the art for it. So I have successfully added gamepad input, which was a total pain. As you can see, this is my code and how it works, and I essentially had to pretty much check if I have a gamepad plugged in, and I also had to check the index of the gamepad. So in my case it was 0, but it could be different, so I do have to change that. I still haven't changed it, and I also had to add the buttons, but I'm pretty much good to go. So I'm going to go try to fix the ray cannon. So this is what the ray cannon looks like right now. As you can see, it doesn't work exactly very well and it's a bit overpowered. So what I'm going to do is try to check distance, and based on that decide on whether it's going to damage the enemy or not. So I fixed the ray cannon and it now works perfectly fine, and I'm not going to do any more because I don't have time, but I will make another devlog pretty soon. And also, by the way, before I forget, make sure to please support me if you can. Even if you just share it with your family and friends, that's more than enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.